everybody, Mr. Flanders here. Welcome to day 3 of science. Today we're going to talk about a special animal and what it has. It's very much like what this firefighter is wearing right now. Do you guys know what this firefighter is wearing? He's wearing a helmet. And the helmet protects his head. If he didn't have this helmet and something huge fell onto him, well, he might get really hurt. And there are animals that think just like this fireman. If they don't have this helmet on, they could get hurt. So what animal do you think has protective gear just like this? I'll give you a hint. It's the mascot for our school. There's also ninja versions of these. Have you thought about it? Oh, well, if you have the answer, join me in just a second as we talk about this animal and protective gear. Alright, ladies and gents, here we go into our science lesson. Now, we were just talking about animals and the things that they have, and there's one particular animal that I was really focusing on that has a body part that keeps it protected, okay? And that is the turtle, okay? You can see this turtle shell right here is very much like this person's helmet here. It's very much like the firefighter's helmet I was telling you about, and how that it can fit over the head and protect people. Well, obviously the turtle shell here is not going to fit on this person's head or somebody's head, but it's very much used for the same purpose, protection. Okay, but before we really get into that too much, though, let's go ahead and take a moment, write our names and the date at the top of our paper. Mr. Flanders. The date is 9/2/20. The 9 is for September, the 2 is for the day, the 20 is for the year 2020. Alright, we are going to look at these pictures and we're going to read the little description here at the top, and then we're going to answer the questions down below. Here we go. Some animals have shells. Shells help protect them. You have a bike helmet. It helps protect you. So number 1, how is a bike helmet like a turtle shell? They are the same shape. They are both striped. They are both the same color. They are both smooth. So let's go ahead and talk about these two real quick. If you look at the turtle shell's kind of got some bumps to it. And if you feel one, it's kind of rough too, so it's not really going to be smooth. And I know right now the pictures are both gray, and that might look like the same color, but they're actually not. This one has stripes on it, but they're not both striped, but they are the same shape, at least on the top, okay? And the helmet is designed that way because, if, let's say something was falling down to this boy's head, okay? It would fall and then bounce off. If something was falling down on this turtle shell, it would fall and then bounce off. If this turtle rolled, okay, the round part would protect his body. Just like the way that this helmet is round, it's going to protect this kiddo's head if he, falls off his bike and rolls onto the ground as well. So yes, they are the same shape. Okay? They're the same shape. Now, number 2, it's asking us, what could we ask about the helmet's shape? What could you ask about the helmet shape? What do you guys want to know about the helmet? Is there anything in particular that you can think of? I mean, I think it's pretty cool that the helmet here is designed just like the turtle shell. But what if we tried a different shape? Could we try a square? Could we try a triangle? Would a triangle work? I don't know. So, what could you ask about the helmet shape? We could ask, would a square helmet work just the same? And I think that's a really good question. Would a square helmet work just the same? Unfortunately, the answer is no. It might offer some protection in certain situations, like if something's falling down from the sky or you bump into a wall or something. But if you go to fall off your bike and the corner of the square hits the ground, that could actually cause your head to jerk back further, and you could get hurt more. So this particular shape is actually really good because it's basically the same shape as a person's head, and it allows for movement when you're getting, I guess when you're getting hurt. It allows for your head to move in a way that feels a little bit more natural than any other shape. Okay, and natural means it's something that would just happen regularly. But that is about it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, shells protect turtles, shells protect snails, shells protect all sorts of other animals, and shells are designed to be just like our helmets, or rather, our helmets are designed just to be like shells. They protect us too in very important situations. All right, that is that, my friends. I am going to go ahead and get going, but what I would like you to do before I get going is you can go ahead and actually draw a turtle neck and a couple of turtle legs out of this turtle guy here to make our turtle friend complete. Okay? I'm going to get going though. I'm going to prep for our next lesson, and I will see you guys in just a little bit. Use your helmet and stay safe.